Hey everyone, in this video we will show you how you can order by Decklist Links. So first of all, you have to understand that we don't support every Decklist builder. We currently support these four: Moxfield, Tapped Out, Archidect and Deckstats. Maybe in the future we will support some more, but for now these are the ones that we use. If you already know how to input your Decklist link, just put it in. If not, we will show you now. So in our example, we will use Moxfield. It's one of the most popular deck builders. And if you have an account, please log in. If not, register one. So I already have one. That's why I will just click here on new deck and I will just give a random name. In this case, proxy printery, deck list or something. It does not matter. Now choose your commander. In our example, we will use Cranko, Mob Boss. Just click on the commander that you want and then click on create. So now you can see we have a deck list with only our commander inside here, which is Cranko. The next thing that you will do is click on the search bar and search for the cards that you want in your deck. Like in this example, we searched for a Wendell Blast. The next card that we will search for is an Abrade. And you can search for these and then just add them to your deck. Don't worry about the different artworks or different printings that are available now. Just search for the cards first, add all of them to your deck, and yeah, just fill your deck exactly. So like I do right now, like I'm adding a mountain and I just add some example cards right here. If you also want a different printing of your card, you click on the little arrow and then click on switch printing. Now you can select the printing that you want and we will actually print that version that you chose. Don't worry about if you select the normal version or the foil version. We will just print what you chose on our website. So it doesn't matter if you click standard, black border or foil on our website and not what you click here. So yeah, we just chose the printings that we want and those will be actually printed. And now something else, like if you need multiple cards for multiple decks or whatever, if you need multiple lands, just click on add more like I did and add the number of cards that you want. Like we just got 99 Abrades. Don't ask me why, but we need them, yeah? So that's actually what we did. And you can also move cards to the sideboard. So if you are not sure if you want them or if you want to print them within the sideboard for whatever reason, you can actually move them to there as well. So after you are done with your deck, you just copy the link like I did just right now and paste them in the deck list section on our website. Now, if you have multiple decks, click on that little plus and add the links of your decks. So like an example, let's say this will be a different deck. We just copy the link, put it there as well. And that's the second deck. We are also actually sorting the decks after the links that you give us. So if you order for yourself and a friend, then make sure to separate the deck lists and don't put them all in one single deck list if you want them to be sorted. So next up, very important, is the tokens. So we have these fields here, and let's say we chose this rabbit token as an example, and you can actually see, like, check the rabbit token. On the left bottom there is this little text at the set ID, the collector number, and so on. We need to actually put these numbers into here. So let's say we need 35 tokens of a rabbit. We just put rabbit, we write the number, we put the collection number and the set ID. So this way we exactly know which token you want. It's really easy. If you did it 1 or 2 times, you can do it like really easy. So next up, I will show another example of another rabbit so you can actually understand how this works easier. And as you can see, this is also a rabbit token, but from a different set. And we also want it in a different quantity. And now just look at the screen how I'm writing the set ID, the collector number, and so on. If you give us this exact numbers, this exact set IDs, etc., then we will print the tokens like you want. You can put more tokens or even delete tokens that you don't want with the plus and the minus buttons. Now, I showed you the sideboard earlier where we put the arcane signet into it. And you can also click on this one, on this button, print sideboard to. And if you click on that, we will print your sideboard. Next up are the card bags. You can choose from 4 different card bags that we offer. If you don't choose any, we will use the standard proxy card bag. If you have your own card bag, then you can also upload it here. But please make sure to have the correct sizes of the card bag so we can actually print it good. And then afterwards, you can choose the paper options as always. And if you need to know more about the paper options, please go to quality and look at. Also, if you need to, you can leave a note to us by writing something in the section order note, and we will check this on all orders. Lastly, if you are done with all the deck lists, please, according to the deck list and the total number of cards, adjust the slider or type in the total number of cards in the text field. Also, it's very important to note that by adjusting the number higher or lower, the price per card is changing. By getting over a certain amount of cards, you can achieve 0.29 cents per card, which is really crazy for a card. Sorry, I meant 0.29 euros. And exactly after that, we are clicking on add to cart, and I also have something very important to show you here. So you can see this added to cart. Now let's look at our cart, what happens here. So you can see everything that we added is in our cart, all the decklist links, all the tokens, all the whatever. Yeah, everything is in the cart. So before you check out, please, if you have a high number of cards in your cart, then you probably qualify for our free gifts. This you can do by clicking on this choose your free gift button, click on it, and then you will be redirected to this free gifts page. You can also click on the button on the header, which is the little gift icon button, and here you can choose from a lot of gifts. Like you can see tokens, staples, even full decks are possible. So just click on add gift and add the gifts that you want to your cart. You can spend as much gift limit as you have in your cart. So if your cart value is 330, you can get like 3 decks and 1 random set of tokens like I do in the video right now. So that's a lot of cards for just being extra gifts. It's a really cool feature and a lot of our customers use it. Okay, that's all. I would like to thank you for watching this video and I wish you a great week. Bye.